In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds into Bybit from CryptoCard and how to deposit money from your bank account onto the Bybit trading platform. If you don't have a Bybit account, scroll down to the description, click the link, and you'll land on this page to sign up for Bybit and get up to $30,000 in bonuses for new users. The more you deposit and trade, the more bonuses you'll receive. Just enter your email and password, click to claim your welcome bonus, and you've registered your Bybit account successfully. After signing up, log into the Bybit app. I've already logged in here, and this is Bybit's main interface. You can see the deposit button right here, or go to the wallet section below. Click on deposit and you'll see options to deposit from other exchanges and trade with. This is where you'll deposit money from your bank. Now I'll show you how to deposit from other exchanges to Bybit. First, click here on deposit crypto. The first thing is to choose the coin you want to deposit. There's also a guide here that you can check out. Now I'll deposit USDT. Next, we'll choose a network. The most common are TRC20 and BEP. I'll select TRC. This is the address for depositing funds. Copy this address. Now we'll go to another exchange to make the deposit. Let's use Bitgate to transfer funds to BYB. Now go to the wallet section instead of deposit. Click on transfer, then choose transfer to other channel. Select USDT, then paste the address from earlier. It should recognize it as TRC20 network. Minimum transfer is $10. Now I'll route for $10. The fee is $1.50. If you want cheaper fees, click here to see which network's cheapest. Binance Smart Chain is free to route. I'll go back to Bybit for another fee address. Now I'll change to a different network. I chose TRC20. Now I'll switch to BSC, BEP. Here's the wallet address. I'll copy it and paste it here. Okay, now there's no route fee. I'll click route, then continue. Now I'll enter the OTP code. We've successfully withdrawn the funds. Now wait 3 minutes to see the transfer complete. While waiting, I'll show you how to deposit funds. Click on deposit here. You'll see options to deposit with fiat currency. You can use Visa or MasterCard or try P2P, which is person to person, the most popular method now. Click on B2B trading here to see people selling USDT. You can click here to buy. For example, I'll click on the first person here. I'll buy from them. I will buy USDT. Then I choose bank transfer as the method. Next, I'll click buy. Now I'll transfer the money to this person. Then I'll click I've transferred successfully. Send the transfer image. Tick these 2 boxes, then click continue. They'll confirm your transfer to them. Then they'll send USD to your account. If you want to withdraw to your bank, go to the sell section. I'll choose person D. To sell, enter how much. Say I want to sell 10 USDT. This person's minimum is 726 USD. I'll pick someone with a lower limit. For example, this person. I'll sell to them. I'll enter $10, limit it's $18. I'll sell for $20. Enter your bank account here. Click sell and they'll transfer the money to your account. Double check everything. Then on Bybit, confirm they've sent it. Only after confirming the transfer should you release the funds. Okay, so here's the $10 I just deposited from BitGet. I've received it now. Add this $10 to the total. That concludes my Bybit deposit tutorial video. If you want to register a Bybit account, you can click the link in the video description below. It'll take you to the Bybit registration page. New users get a bonus of up to $30,000. If you have questions, comment below. I'll answer them.